So I'm RJ Hampton, instructor at CTEC Drones UAS program. I think that from a educational standpoint, coming off of a plantation, there was an expectation for the future. At least in my household, we grew up with the expectation that we were going to push and gain the benefits of those that fought for us for things that they wouldn't be able to get to enjoy and experience, that we came in with a burden on our shoulders and an expectation to perform and to do. I think as a people, we are trying to live up to a legacy. I was told that we were never slaves. We were enslaved, but to be a slave, you have to buy into, you have to agree to, and that for generations, we fought against that. And that freedom is something that can be taken from you, but no one can ever give it to you. It's something that you always have inside of you, and it's what you are willing to sacrifice to make sure that you have that, you protect that. And to me, it seems like that's something that needs to be broadcast and re-messaged, repackaged, and reintroduced to the next generations coming up.